Cake nga himo sa batuan, kamote bread nga may mango fillings, squash yema, ube mango bar, kag Indian mango chocolate bars, ang isa ra gid lamang sa ginpatiraw kag ginbaligya ka mga estudyante kang Advanced Central College sa tiun kang Anang Skills Fair 2025. Kag mind you, ang recipe kang jam harina ang generate via artificial intelligence upon AI.
Product is originated from Puto Seco, and we have come up through AI to innovate and introduce mango and chocolate flavored Seco in flower shape. And through our experiences and my group mates, Foodie Buds, we finally come up with this idea.
Our product is a dried Indian mango dipped in chocolate with chocolate powder. So it was Ma'am Rodriguez ang nagtugo ka namin kang idea about this product, and then we tried it. So sa first, kapalaman kayo ma-fair, but then ginatry lang naman at hasta nga mabaal naman ang right texture and blending kang chocolate and Indian mango. And then amon niya final product. So ang ingredients is dried Indian mango from Antique, product of Antique, and then gindip naman tayo sa chocolate kag ginbatangan ka chocolate powder. So ang presyo niya kanda 120 per container.
So our product is Choco Banana Chips. We have two sizes, the large which is 135 pesos and the medium size for 95 pesos. So ang amon nga product na dya, gin-invent naman dig dya, kaya na-notice naman nga ang saging nga saba is durong supply na rigya sa Antique, and only one flavor lang ang ginabligya sa market, the coated. So we come up with the Choco Banana Chips with the unique design para ma-experience man kang mga Antikenyos ang bago nga flavor ng banana chips. So ang amon nga ingredients is saging nga saba, tapos chocolate fondue and chocolate bar. So before naman na-achieve ang amon nga perfect Choco Banana Chips is we try 3 times para mabuo naman yun ang exact crispiness and exact flavor kang chocolate. That's all.
Sunod sa kay Advanced Central College President Dr. Mary Rose Rodriguez, nga bisan ang packaging ka mga pagkain ka mainubrahan ng mga estudyante, parehas kang patadyong wooden set, bamboo tea set, terracotta jars o community board kag duro pang iban ang AI-generated man.
ACC, we embrace AI by letting our students use AI like ChatGPT, Google Gemini. So for this skills fair, they use the AI like ChatGPT and Google Gemini to generate recipes and generate packaging materials. So they just improved on the recipes and the packaging materials that the AI generated, and that is what they have presented in this skills fair.
Sa tiun kang Skills Fair, ngayon patigayon kang March 22, 2025 sa EBD Gym sa Banwa kang San Jose Antique, di masundayag man rito ang mini drone, robot waiter kag AI standee.
The ACC Skills Fair 2025 theme is Skills for the AI Age. The AI revolution is upon us, transforming industries and reshaping professions. It demands a new set of skills and competencies. ACC embraces AI as an opportunity. We want our students to have a bright future. The ACC enrollment is ongoing for junior high school, senior high school, BSHM, and BSIS. Just visit our FB page for the link.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lady Ellie Gianluba from Grade 9, here to present my poem entitled The New Age of AI. A mind once bound to flesh and bone now is within the circuit's brain. A whisper hums through silicon strings.
Sa among Skills Fair, gipakita man dito ka mga estudyante ang andang talento kag gina-applyan pa kang AI parehas kang AI Poetry Aloud Contest kag AI Futuristic Presentation.
It dares to see, not just its tool, but anything. From art to thought, from voice to hand, it bends to shape and power command. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Justine May de la Cruz and proud to represent the grade 7 body function. Synthetic dawn. In realms of gold, a new sun rises. Artificial mind with a logic compromises. A dance of daylight, a symphony plays. As machine awaken in synthetic ways, they do not feel. Their logic sharp, their thoughts unreal. They serve, assist, and automate. The human mind still innovate.
Again, a round of applause for our junior high school for their AI General Futuristic Time.
Nang hindi napit nga bisita sa among kahiwatan si Antique Vice Governor Edgar Dinosta nga napabot siya gid kang pagdayaw sa inubrahan ka mga estudyante.
Happy ang inyong innovation. First time ko nakita ang mga gamit na ginawin na magamit sa mga restaurant, sa mga hotels, most especially ang mga recipe kang food kayo yung ginawin na pwede ginang ipapagala sa probinsya ka Antique. So to all the participants, you have shown remarkable dedication, creativity, and skills in navigating the challenges of this competition. And to our winners, congratulations. Sold out na ito ang magtutulay pa. Naman ka ata.
Kang labibang nakunyagan kang tanan ang live performance kang wapangon nga CCTV Generation 11 Top 4 nga si Kay Montemola naging pangano po selfie sa tanan.